How to make an Activision account on phone for Call of Duty Mobile and Warzone. So you'll be able to do this on any device, whether that's an iPhone, Android, or even on your computer. It's the same process, because all you need to do is go to a web browser, whether that's Safari, Google Chrome, or whatever, then type in the URL at the top there where you see it says s.activision.com/activision/signup. If you don't want to type all that in, all you'll need to do is go to Google, then type in make Activision account, and then it should be the first one that appears at the top there. But once you're on this web page, you want to click sign up. Then you want to type in your email address that you're going to be using, and make sure you do have access to this email account. If you don't have access, you won't be able to create that account because you will need to verify it through that email address after the sign up process. So make sure you do have access to it. Click sign up, then you will be put to the section with your info. So first of all, it's going to ask you what Activision ID you want. So make sure you do type it so that you're okay with using in game. Then type in your first name, then last name. Click next. Then it's going to ask you for your birthday. So remember, for certain Activision games have certain age limits, so keep that in mind. You might be possibly disappointed if you type in your age limit, then you won't actually be able to play the game. So just keep that in mind when you sign up for your account. Click your location as well, whatever you want for that should automatically appear there. Click next, then you want to type in the password. Make sure you do remember this, otherwise you have to go through the process of forgetting your password, which always isn't very good. But when I'm doing this, obviously right now, I'm not going to show you my password. You will need to adhere to the certain limits, so you can't use multiple characters in a row, etc. like that, capital letters, things like that. You want to tick that box as I do there as well in the middle of the screen. To acknowledge their privacy policies and all that type of thing. If you are going to be using a PlayStation, Xbox or Battle.net account, you can link that just by clicking on those, or if you don't at all, you can just click I don't have a network account for that if you want to. Then you'll be ready to go. Your account has been successfully set up. But it's not done yet, because once you've got your profile on here, like you see on the website like I have now, you will need to go over to your email. Like I said before, I use my Yahoo account. This is what it's going to look like. Click on your email, whichever it is, whether it's Gmail, Yahoo. Click verify. Then once you're on there, you'll do the validation. Then you can log into your account to make sure the details work. So that's the process. Leave a like if it helps you out. Subscribe for more and comment in the comment section below if it helped.